In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Instagram without showing your face. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do, so stick with me till the end. You don't need to be an influencer or show your face. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a business model where you don't have to show your face and you can earn recurring incomes with Instagram. So you want to do this by creating an Instagram theme page. You want to build this around a specific niche or topic. You want similar content over and over again and a singular focus and singular goal, right? If your goal is to make money with Instagram, this is the place for you. Here's why theme pages are perfect for beginners or experts. You stay anonymous, you don't need to show your face, and people feel like they're getting an experience. It's a premium look and a pure focus. So they know exactly what they're getting from your page. It's a theme page curated around a singular theme, repeated over and over again. They know exactly what they're getting. You're not going to bounce around the topics or the niches. They have subscribed to your channel for a specific reason, and here's how to make money doing exactly that. All right? You're going to grow a niche audience that's interested in your exact niche. You're going to recommend solutions, okay? And the way I recommend you do that is as an affiliate. So you're going to choose an affiliate offer that your target audience would be interested in. And I'll provide you with the exact affiliate offer that I recommend towards the end of this video. So stick around. So the smartest move would be to promote an offer with reoccurring commissions. That way you can benefit later on from the work you do today. Here's why reoccurring commissions beat one-time payouts. With one-time sales, you are reset back to zero every single month. So let's say you have a great month, 1 month, you go super viral. You have to recreate that success the next month to make the same amount. Whereas with recurring commissions, you now have a base that carries over into the next month, and then anyone new is just added on top of that base income. Okay? So you want to pick one theme, not 10 random topics, right? The best themes are health, wealth, and love. These topics will never be saturated because people will always have a problem to solve in these areas. So the first thing you need to do is define exactly who your page is for and speak to those people. Okay, so if you chose the wealth niche, you're speaking to broke beginners or students or people who are trying to make money online. And what you have to do is set it up properly. I teach that in the group in the link in the description, but stick with me here for a second. You basically want to use keywords and set up your page properly so that anyone who's searching can find you easily. All right. So instead of saying Sean's theme page, you're going to say Sean make money online, something like that. Or for a theme page, you're going to say, make money online made simple, or I don't know. Ask ChatGPT. You can name it whatever you want, but you need the keywords in the name, is what I'm saying. Okay? Create a clean profile picture, a nice bio with keywords in it, and the link in the script in the bio when you have your affiliate offer ready to go. All right? So you want to research your niche, you want to find what's already gone viral, identify the exact patterns and frameworks, and then make it your own. Again, I teach you exactly how to do that. But you want to plan the content around one clear outcome, which is obviously to make people buy, okay? And as you continue to post and continue to gain followers, you're going to get more and more trust from the people watching your page. You need to post 3 times a day on your theme page. And over time, all your videos will continue to get views weeks after they've already been posted. So when Instagram or TikTok or YouTube likes your videos, they're going to continue to push them weeks after you originally posted them. So you need to optimize for views, watch time, saves and shares, and follows and clicks. The main thing that Instagram is looking for is watch time, followed by shares and saves and any other type of engagement. But when they say watch time, what's really happening is people are sticking around. They're probably looking at the comment section or reading the caption. So there's several different things that you can do when you post to keep people around and watching the video. And I tell you the exact viral video framework in the link in the description. But let's keep moving here. You don't want to bounce around to random viral trends. You don't want to bounce around your niche, and you don't want too many links in your bio. And the biggest mistake that I see people making is they quit too early. So every successful creator that you see on Instagram started with 0 views and 0 followers, and they had to post through videos that did not perform well when they first started out. Everyone goes through this process, but you have to continue to post over time. And it's like a lottery, it's like a slot machine. Basically, each pull at the slot machine, each time you post a piece of content, you have a chance at the jackpot. Okay? So you need to keep trying, and eventually one of your pieces of content will go viral if you're following the viral video framework. All right? So this is an absolute cheat code because you can start immediately. You don't need your own product, and all you have to do is post short videos. Then you need to choose the right recurring affiliate program, which I'll share with you here in a moment. All right? So with your theme page, all you're going to do is drive traffic by posting videos and earn monthly income for it. All right? Now for the thing you've been waiting for. Okay? Even if you have 0 followers, you can do this. The short form platforms have made it so that people with 0 followers can reach a large audience. Okay? So you want to create your theme page on all 3 platforms, especially Instagram, and set a daily goal to post 3 times a day. And then when your theme page is finally working, you need to promote the right offer, which is Project Profit. Here's how Project Profit works. You're promoting a proven offer with recurring income, and I teach you exactly what to do. Instead of signing up for other affiliate programs that just give you a link and they don't really tell you what to do with it, I teach you everything. I teach you exactly how to warm up a new account so that you get maximum reach early on. I teach you the viral video framework, amongst several other things, and the opportunity to make recurring income every single month. Okay? So what I want you to do is commit. Commit to posting at least 100 different posts and see how this works for you. All right? Help me blow up on YouTube if you're sticking around this far. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video. Comment your income goals below. And if you're ready to start making some money, join Project Profit in the link in the description below, and let's make some money.